Now let's take a tour of the interface. Once you get familiar with this, you'll be setting up events and reminders with ease. Let's start by looking at the left side. Think of this area as your command center. The first thing you'll see is the monthly view. You can use the small arrows to navigate between months. For example, if I want to jump ahead to December 31st, 2024, I just scroll through the calendar, click on December, and select the 31st. Instantly, the main calendar view on the right will update to show that specific day. Now, if you ever want to get back to today's date, just click on the Today button at the top, and your calendar will snap right back to the current day. Now let's move on to the second part of your command center, which is called My Calendars. This section shows all the calendars you've created or are using. For example, you can see that I have a few set up: my personal Chen K calendar, a birthday calendar, and a tasks calendar. Right below that, you'll see another section called Other Calendars. These are additional calendars that you can add to your view. For instance, I've got the Holidays in Taiwan calendar here. I didn't create this one myself. The system automatically added it for me based on my location. Pretty convenient, right? In the future, if you add someone else's calendar, like a colleague or friend, it will also appear in this section. There's a lot you can do with other calendars, but we'll come back to that later when we dive into those features. Now, let's take a look at the main calendar view located right in the center. This is where all your important dates and events are organized. You'll see your schedule, including events, tasks, and reminders right here. To add something new, just click on the specific date and time. For example, I've got dinner with a friend today from 6:00 to 7 p.m. I simply find September 24th at 6 p.m., click on that slot, and a menu pops up. I'll enter the event title, Dinner with Friend, and there it is, my first event. At the top, we have the navigation bar, where you can switch between different calendar views. If you want to see today's schedule, just click on Day, and the calendar will show you everything for today. If you prefer a broader view, select Week, and you'll see your schedule for the whole week. On my calendar, the week starts on Monday, but in some places, it starts on Sunday. Don't worry, this can be customized. Just go to the Settings menu, scroll down to View Options, under Start Week On, choose your preferred day, like Sunday. Once you select it and save, the first day of your week will change to Sunday. You can also switch to Month View to see calendar for the entire month, or Year View for a yearly overview. However, these two views are not what I prefer since I can't see the task or event. There's also a Schedule view if you prefer a simple list of upcoming events. It only displays the dates and times where you have tasks and events scheduled. For me, my personal favorite is the 3-day view, which shows today, tomorrow, and the next day. Actually, I usually check the week view first to see the big picture, then switch to 3-day view to focus on what's coming up next. For you, after using it for a while, you'll find the view that works best for keeping your life organized and fits your needs. Finally, on the right-hand side, you may notice icons for other Google tools, such as Tasks and Keep. These are useful for managing to-dos or taking quick notes. The best part is that you can access these tools directly from your calendar without having to switch between apps. If you're interested in learning more about these features, let us know. See you next video. Bye.